Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Training. Today we will learn about the conditional actions in WinAutomation. So the first action today we will learn is if conditional action. So it says that this action marks the beginning of a conditional block of the action. Correct. So using this action you will be able to compare two variables, right? So we can make a comparison as if it is equal to, it is not equal to, is greater than equal to, less than or equal to. And also you can check whether this variable starts with some character or it doesn't start with, it contains, does not contain, like this, right? So we'll learn about one by one in this video. So let's say if we want to compare two variable. So first of all, what we will do is we will take an action called set variable action, right? Which is, and we will just take select it and put it in the process designer, right? And here we will name this variable as variable one, right? And what value will give? Let's say we want to compare two variable which holds number, right? So let's say we have set the value as 5, and here on the right side you will see that the type of the variable is numerical value, right? If we come back and set the value as uh, hello, then the type of the variable will be changed to the text value, correct? So like this, if we put 0.7, again you will see the type of the variable is numerical value, okay? So the type of the variable is decided based on the value assigned to it, right? So let's put it back to 5. Let's take another variable, select it and drag and drop it in the process designer. Name the variable as variable 2, and the value we will set it as 10, correct? Now what we want is we want to use the if block, correct? Let's select and drop it in the process designer. Let's put the variable name as, come back here and select the variable name and just copy paste. And you can also select the variables from here, right? This variable 2, and then click on OK. So here what we are doing is we are checking if variable 1 is equal to the variable 2, right? So if it is equal to, then it will do whatever we want to do, right? Let's say if you want to display a message, we came back and we dragged and dropped it in the process designer. And here we are saying that okay, if variable 1 is equal to variable 2, then display the value of the, then say that number is, value is equal, right? So it will fail here, right? Why will it fail? Because variable 1 does not uh, doesn't have the same value as variable 2, so it's not equal to, right? So it will come here, it's not like it will fail, it will not pass this condition, right? So but if we've set the value of variable 1 as 10, now it will show that this message box, you will see here value is equal, right? Like this we can set, let's set it back to 5 and come here and make change the condition here. And now we know that variable 1 is 5 and variable 2 is having 10, right? So let's say okay, if variable 1 is less than 10, then say that variable 1 is less than variable 2, and then come back again and say start from here and run it. Now you will see that it says variable is less than variable 2, right? So here you can select whatever operator you want to select, right? And based on that, you can make the comparison, right? So let's say if I set the value of this variable as good morning, right? And the value of variable 2 will set as good night, right? And now we come back and say if variable 1 contains morning, if it contains morning, then we want to display the message as good morning, right? And click on OK. Now what will happen? So variable 1 does have this morning, good morning, and morning word in it, and variable 2 doesn't have it. It has good night, right? So once we will right click and say start from here, it will pass that condition. It will say good morning, right? And if we come back and say if it does not contain morning, then we want to say what? We want to say good night and come back here, run it again, and it will not pass this, right? It says variable that does not contain morning. However, it contains, right? That is why this condition did not pass, and that is why it didn't show anything. But here, if we come back and set the variable as variable 2 and set the operator as contains night, so now it will show as good night, right? So this is how you can select the operator based on your requirement and to see which one fits well in your condition, right? So like this, I'll be making more videos to learn about the conditionals in the WinAutomation. And for now, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can learn about WinAutomation more. Thank you.